Guys, like I did one in the video, waste no space. My skill improving, so I'm trying to improve my harvest. But before you see that this road to the fence of the house, I did lemongrass. Did pretty good. I'm trying to gain a bigger harvest, make more yield out of the land. So, from cashew, I'll tell you guys realistically, this is my third attempt. I have two failures already. One is it's flooded. Number two, they're like termites. Uh, I don't know what's it called, but it's like they look like caterpillars, but they're in the ground. More like they look more like maggots. They eat up all the roots. So I have to replant them. So this time, the soil wouldn't stay in the root, so it was breaking up. So my father-in-law, have to really pamper them for a week before I could transplant them here. And they look pretty sturdy and strong, as you guys can see. So let's hope the third is a charm. This is what I use for my watermelon crop, my baby watermelon. I haven't do the full watermelon crop yet, so we don't waste nothing. We recycle everything if I can. That's one of my thing. My wife is complaining. There are recycling people come in and want to buy recycling. I said, no, if my husband throw it away, nobody can ever use it because you can use everything. That's what we're gonna do. Pretty much just the old hole. I'm trying to build a bigger hole this time, so I have more room to work with. And the plastic is pretty much weed control because I learned it from growing from the inside of the pot. I was too busy. I didn't have time to put a weed. It took them a long time to grow. So after I pull the weed out, they just grow real fast. So that's what I have the plastic for. Number two, I had the plastic because this area is flooded. So my bed will slide all the dirt away. We had a hurricane here. I didn't have these plants in yet, but the hurricane was in here. The bed was still in shape. So that's why the reason I have the plastic. Pretty much it's like if you guys are ever do gardening, it's pretty much common sense. Just like really eyeballing the size of my hole. Yeah, pretty much you guys are going to see me cutting this and dig a hole. It's no big deal. My wife's going to transplant it because Vietnam's still an Asian country. Everybody's so superstitious. So they think somebody got a lucky hand. They put the plant in, it grows better. But that's not how we do in America. But let's make them happy. I have two kinds of shovel. Well, somebody bought my shovel and they bent it. I didn't have a chance to buy a new one. But these little shovels do miracles. It fits a lot of small places. That you can't get a big shovel in. It works really good. It's way better than dig my hand. Okay guys, I think this is it for me. I'm gonna let it over to my wife. She's gonna do the rest of the transplanting. Hey guys, that's one tree down. We got 3 more to go, but I don't think you guys want to see the rest of it. It's pretty much repetitive. But you guys have an idea. Take care. See you in the next video.